Weißwing. Und drüber jetzt. Ja. Ich hab. Okay.
Design of the mortar and getting the mortar fabricated, burying it into.
3, 2, 1.
Begin. There goes.
That isn't going to be going so high, doesn't look.
That's perfect.
That's the big one.
There it is. There it is.
Wow! Look at that! Unbelievable! Oh yeah!
Our artwork doesn't last very long, and so a lot of that, the quality is locked inside a person's memory. As a pyrotechnician, you learn that many times you might put in hundreds, possibly thousands of hours into something that will last about 10 seconds. That's what.